Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Peter.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Akshita. Okay, this is our civics class. Tell me in civics how much we have done and where we had left in the previous class. I'm talking about the class that we had individually, right? Not the combined class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Deepshika. Beta. In a short while, I'll be taking your attendance, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Keep your books ready. Let everybody come.
Ma'am, please share the screen.
For the chapter you are asking, just a second. I'm doing that only.
Yeah.
Beta. Just a second. सुरभि मैम की पता नहीं बड़ा दिक्कत कर रहा है आज ये पता 7:32 पे कनेक्ट हो पाया है। तुम नहीं वो जूम उसमें वो बोला नेट आपका जो है अनस्टेबल है 2 मिनट लगे उसको मैं दुखी हो गई टेंडा से कनेक्टेड तो है नहीं रुको रुको तो इसमें सही हो रहा है क्या क्लास कल पर इसी में लिया था मैंने सारा इस वाले में कल उड़ रहा था बार बार कनेक्शन स्विच करने से दिक्कत तो नहीं होगी अरे नहीं क्लास चल रही है मेरी Yes, can you see the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Give your attendance quickly and then we start with the class. Anya is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav Pandey is there?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Agrim? Akansha? Aksada?
Yes, ma'am.
Anamta? Anand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush?
Present, ma'am.
Bhumika? Chirag? Deepshikha? Devansh? Dhananjay? Dhruv?
Present, ma'am.
Dhruv?
Present, ma'am.
Harshit?
Present, ma'am.
This is Dhruv, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit? Okay.
Ma'am, have you marked me present?
Devansh? No, I have not. Yes, now I have not.
Ma'am,
Harshit,
have you marked me?
Beta, you need to tell your name. No, I cannot see you here on the screen.
Ma'am, I'm also present.
I कौन है ये? I am कौन है?
Ma'am, Deepshika.
Deepshika. Yes, Deepshika is present. I know. Now, Harshit Kapil Patel. Harshit, Kavya, Khushbu, Kunal is there. Mehak Yadav. Malay, Faiz, Haseen.
Yes, ma'am.
Malay is present. Faiz.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, Haseen is there. Shoaib,
Present, ma'am.
Nikhil Nehra,
Present, ma'am.
Om Sharma. Is Om attending the classes? Because I have found his attendance in every class. Priyanshu, Ramsha, Ramsha is there? Do we have Ramsha?
Ma'am.
Okay, Ramsha is not there. Shreya,
Present, ma'am.
Sanya, Sanya, Swali,
Present, ma'am.
Vishesh,
Present, ma'am.
Vishesh, Vivan.
Present, ma'am. Vivan present.
Yes, Yadvendra is there or not?
No, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
May I read?
Wait. Tell me. I was asking, tell me till where you have written, till where you have read. You need to tell me that as well.
Ma'am,
Yes.
till ma'am, key features of federalism. Till ma'am, key features of federalism.
That though was done yesterday, beta. In the class when we were together, only your section was there. How much we have done?
Ma'am, we have to start from how is federalism practiced.
Okay. How is federalism practiced? Okay. We need to start with the linguistic states wala thing, no? Right? This part you are telling, no, beta? Ayush?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. ठीक है. चलिए. Chirag has also come to the class. चलिए. If you remember the flowchart that we had done, Can you tell me in that flow chart what exactly we did? Children? Can anybody
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
can anybody send me the flow chart the other day that we had done?
Ma'am, in notebook.
In the note, that notebook page you share with me. Take a picture of it and share it with me so that I can share it here on the board, on the.
Federalism.
Yes, how is federalism practiced in our country?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
See, the other day when I explained you about in the initial when I was giving you the introduction of the chapter, I told you that in our country federalism is
Ma'am, I have
practiced in
sent you.
several ways. Huh? You have sent?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. See, there were three heads that there were five heads under which we read this. First was the linguistic states. What do you understand by the linguistic states? Can anybody tell?
Ma'am, having different languages. I'm having different languages.
Bolo beta.
Ma'am, linguistic states means states are divided on the basis of culture, culture and language.
Exactly, exactly. See, in the linguistic state, we all know that after independence, many of the states, many of the leaders, those who were there of different states, they wanted to have a separate country of different language speaking people, right? Like Pakistan was partitioned from India. They wanted that this way only the states should be partitioned and they should given a independent authority to rule over them, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ha. This is clear, but then we all know that how the then home minister tried to bring all these states, keep all the states together within the country itself and gave them liberty to have all the same language speaking people together over there under the state reorganization commission, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
In this topic we are going to read about that only.
So, ma'am, we can't say we have a linguistic country.
What?
Ma'am, linguistic country. In a country, ma'am, there are so many type of languages and cultures.
See, most of the this thing that we have, no, most of the states that we have, they are segregated on the linguistic basis only.
But ma'am, national language is Hindi.
Huh?
But ma'am, national language is Hindi.
Beta, there is no national language. All these languages are the scheduled languages. If you remember, these are all scheduled languages.
Ma'am, we have read in language policy.
Huh? We have read the language policy.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
चलिए ठीक है. Now this linguistic states part, just I am sharing the screen with you. It was not zooming out. No, that is why I have changed. It is taking time.
Ma'am, which word we use for legal?
What?
Ma'am, which word we use for legal?
Which?
Ma'am, word.
समझ नहीं आ रही आपकी बात बेटा.
Ma'am, which word we use for legal?
Your voice is not clear. Okay, can you all see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This list system we have discussed.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Fine. We have Ayush in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, can you read?
Ma'am, what linguistic states?
How is federalism practiced from here?
Okay, ma'am. Constitutional provinces are necessary for success of federalism, but these are not sufficient. If the federal experiment had succeeded in India, it is not merely because of clearly laid out constitutional provinces. The real out success of federalism in India can be attributed to the nature of democratic politics in our country. This ensures the spirit of federalism, respect for diversity, and right for living together become a social ideal in our country. Let us look at some.
At some of the major ways in which this happened. Do we have Malay here in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Malay, read.
Ma'am, linguistic states.
Yes.
Linguistic states. The creation of linguistic states was the first and a major test for democratic politics in our country. If you look at the political map of India when it began its journey as a democracy in 1947 and that of 2017, you will be surprised by the extent of the changes. Many old states have vanished and many
Ma'am,
new states
17 or
have been
13?
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. It's written 13. He is
Mm.
reading 17.
17, ma'am.
Ma'am, in my book it is written 17.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 17.
No issues. 2017. Okay.
In my book, it is written 2006.
Huh?
In my book, it is written
You
2013.
read what is
I'm 13 also.
I'm 2006.
Areas and boundaries and names of the states have been changed. In 1947, the boundaries of several old states of India were changed in order to create new states. This was done to ensure that people who spoke the same language lived in the same state. Some states were created not on the basis of language, but to recognize differences based on culture, ethnicity, or geography. This, these include states like Nagaland, Uttarakhand, and Jharkhand. When the demand for the formation of states on the
Ma'am,
basis of
Yes, beta.
scroll.
हाँ.
Scroll.
Scrolled. पढ़िए बेटा.
when the demand for the formation of states on the basis of language was raised, some national leaders feared that it would lead to the
Lead.
disintegration of the
Would
country.
lead to the
The central government
disintegration of the country. हाँ.
The central government resisted linguistic states for some time, but the experience has shown that the formation of linguistic state has actually made the country more united. It has also made administration easier.
Easier. नहीं, see, because of the linguistic states that were formed, people were happy, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
the government was concerned about the contentment of the people only. So when they were happy with the linguistic states, and it gave more boost to the unity of the country. People were happy. They felt that they will be having a region or territory where only their language people are there. Fine?
Yes,
हाँ.
yes, ma'am.
चलिए.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Language. Yes, beta.
May I read?
nothing, ma'am. I
Okay.
was saying yes, ma'am.
अच्छा चलो पढ़ो अब आप. श्रेया.
May I?
आकांक्षा की श्रेया.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, अक्षदा पढ़ो बेटा.
Language policy. A second test for Indian Federation is the language policy. Our constitution did not give the status of national language to any one language. Hindi was identified as the official language, but Hindi is the mother tongue of only about 40% of the Indians. Therefore, there were many safeguards to protect other languages. Besides Hindi, there are 21 other languages recognized as scheduled languages by the Constitution. A candidate in an examination conducted for the central government position may opt to take the examination in any of these languages. States too have their own official languages. Much of the government work takes place in the official language of the concerned states. Unlike Sri Lanka, the leaders of our country adopted a very cautious attitude in spreading the use of Hindi. According to the constitution, the use of English for official purposes was to stop in 1965. However, many non-Hindi-speaking states demanded the use of English continue. In Tamil Nadu, this movement took some time agreeing to use English along with Hindi for officials. Many critics think that this solution favored the English-speaking elite. Promotion of Hindi continues to be official policy of the government of India. It does not mean that the government can impose Hindi on states where people speak a different language. The flexibility
Yes, Aksada, you have read?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. Anything in this to be explained? Though I have explained it earlier also to you people. Still, if you people feel anything not understood?
I'm all understood.
Okay, fine.
No, ma'am.
चलिए. Agrim is there in
Ma'am,
the class?
please, ma'am.
May I read?
Who is this? May I? You need to tell your name, Richa.
Ma'am Divan.
चलो पढ़ो देवांश. Center state relations.
Ma'am Divan.
हाँ विवान, चलो विवान पढ़ो बच्चे. Okay. Read.
Restructuring the center state relation in one more way in which federalism has been strengthened in practice. How the constitutional arrangement for sharing power work in reality depends to a large extent on how the ruling parties and leaders follow these arrangements. For a long time, the same party ruled both at the center and in most of the states. This means that the state government did not exercise their rights as autonomous federal units, as when the ruling party at the state level was different. The party that ruled at the center tried to undermine the power of the state. In those days, the central government would often misuse the constitution to dismiss the state government that were controlled by rival parties. This undermined the spirit of federalism. All this changes significantly after 1990. This period saw the rise of regional political party in many states of the country. This was also the beginning of the era of coalition government at the center, since no single party got a clear majority in the Lok Sabha. The major national parties had to enter into an alliance with many parties, including several regional party too. मैम स्क्रॉल कर दीजिए मैम. Party to form a government at the center. This leads to a new culture of power sharing and respect for the autonomy of state government. This trend was मैम स्क्रॉल कर दीजिए और this trend supported by a major judgment of the Supreme Court that made it difficult for the central government to dismiss state government in an arbitrary manner. Thus, federal power sharing is more effective today than it was in the earlier years after the constitution came into force.
Okay, anything in this to be explained, class?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
fine.
ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, meaning of autonomous.
Ma'am, coalition.
चलिए, coming to the decentralization in India.
Ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
What is the meaning?
Hello.
Ma'am, autonomous means.
Coalition government.
समझ नहीं आ रही. हेलो बेटा बोलो बच्चे क्या बोल रहे हो?
Ma'am, meaning of autonomous.
Ma'am, please explain coalition government.
समझ में नहीं आई. आप लोग की आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही
Ma'am,
है.
he is asking, please explain coalition government.
कोएलिशन गवर्नमेंट क्या होती है? This is what he is asking. What is a coalition government?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Anybody in the
Ma'am, may I
class?
tell?
Please tell. Anybody in the class who knows
May I tell?
government?
May I tell?
Yes, बेटा
Yes,
बताओ. बताओ बच्चे.
Ma'am, a government formed by the coalition of two. One government formed by the coalition of two government,
Okay.
two political parties.
Government formed by the coalition of
Two political parties.
Two political parties.
okay, two political parties. Very good.
Ma'am, simply Gathbandhan.
हाँ. In other words, it is simple Gathbandhan, right?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of autonomous?
बेटा गठबंधन का मतलब कोएलिशन सरकार होती है ना बेटा?
No, ma'am, autonomous.
बेटा थोड़ा जोर से बोला करो धनंजय, मुझे आपकी बिल्कुल आवाज समझ में नहीं
Ma'am,
आती.
he is asking autonomous.
अच्छा. Anybody in the class who will tell me what is autonomous? हाँ?
Ma'am, freedom.
What kind of freedom?
Ma'am, right to speak or something like that.
Huh? Like?
Ma'am, right to speak or something like that.
This is Haseen.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा ऑटोनॉमस का मतलब होता है टू वर्क फ्रीली, सेल्फ गवर्नेंस जिसको हम कहते हैं, दैट इज ऑटोनॉमस. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. हाँ चलिए और बताइए. एनीथिंग एल्स टू बी एक्सप्लेन्ड हियर? नो. शैल वी कंटिन्यू विद डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन इन इंडिया?
Yes,
बेटा हमने बताया था कि डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन इन इंडिया में बहुत सिंपल सी चीज है कि इसमें ये करा गया कि भाई स्टेट और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के कुछ पावर्स लेके जो लोकल गवर्नमेंट है उनको पावर दे दी गई, उनको उनमें बांट दी गई. ठीक है, ताकि लोकल लेवल पे जितने भी डिस्प्यूट्स या प्रॉब्लम्स या जो भी इश्यूज हो रहे थे उनको जो है उसी लेवल पे, छोटे लेवल पे जो है सॉल्व कर लिया जाए. अननेसेसरी बड़े बड़े इश्यूज ना बने इसके. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. प्लस
Yes,
अगर लोकल लेवल पे कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो लोकल लोग होते हैं उनको ज्यादा अच्छे से पता होता है कि भाई क्या प्रॉब्लम है, किस तरीके से सॉल्व करी जाए. ठीक है, ये हमने ऑलरेडी बता चुके हैं आपको. तो लेट अस ओनली रीड द चैप्टर, रीड द राइट.
Yes,
स्टार्ट.
ma'am.
Yes.
हु वुड लाइक टू रीड? श्रेया विल रीड.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो श्रेया पढ़ो. श्रेया.
Ma'am, after Shreya. Yes, ma'am.
ओके, आफ्टर श्रेया.
We noted that federal government have two or more tiers of government. We have so far discussed the two tiers of government in our country, but a vast country like India cannot be run only through these two tiers. States in India are as large as independent country of Europe. In terms of population, Uttar Pradesh is bigger than Russia. Maharashtra is about as big as Germany. Many of these states are internally very diverse. There is thus a need for power sharing within these states. Federal power sharing in India needs another tiers of government below that of the state government. This is rationalized for decentralization of power, thus resulted a third tier of government called local government. When power is taken away from central and state governments and given to local government, it is called decentralization. The basic idea behind decentralization is that there are a large number of problems and issues which are the best settled at the local level. People have better knowledge of problems in their localities. They also have better ideas on where to spend money and how to manage things more efficiently. Besides, at the local level, it is possible for the people to directly participate in decision making. This helps to inculcate a habit of democratic participation. Local government is the best way to realize one important principle of democracy, namely local self-government. The need for decentralization was recognized in our constitution. Since then, there have been several attempts to decentralize power to the level of villages and towns. Panchayats in villages and municipalities in urban areas were set up in all the states, but these were directly under the control of state government. Elections to these local governments were not held regularly. Local government did not have any power or resource of their own. Thus, there was a very little decentralization in effective terms. Ma'am, read.
ठीक है, I think nothing is there to explain. Carry on with the major step. This is a very important question. A major step towards, mention the steps that were taken towards the decentralization after the constitutional amendment in 1992. So this whole paragraph will be answer to that question. Read.
A major step towards decentralization was taken in 1992. The constitution was amended to make the third tier of democracy more powerful and effective. First, now it is constitutionally mandatory to hold regular elections to local government bodies. Second, seats are reserved in the elected bodies and the executive heads of these institutions for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and other backward classes. Third, at least one-third of all positions are reserved for women. Fourth, an independent institution called the State Election Commission has been created in each state to conduct panchayat and municipal election. Fifth, the state government are required to share some power and revenue with local government bodies. The nature of share varies from state to state. Regular rural local government is popularly known by the name Panchayati Raj. Each village or group of villages in some state has a Gram Panchayat. This is a council consisting of several ward members, often called Panch, and a president or Sarpanch. They are directly elected by all the adult population living in that ward or village. It is a decision-making body for the entire village. The panchayat works under the overall supervision of the Gram Sabha. All the voters of the village are its members. It has to meet at least twice or thrice in a year to approve the annual budget of the Gram Panchayat and to review the performance of the Gram Panchayat. The local government structure goes right up to the district level. A few Gram Panchayats are grouped together to form what is usually called a Panchayat, Samiti or block or mandal. The members of representatives body are elected by all the Panchayat members in that area. All the Panchayat Samitis or mandals in a district together constitutes the Zila District Parishad. Most members of Zila Parishad are elected. Members of the Lok Sabha and MLAs of that district and some other officials of other district level bodies are also its members. Zila Parishad chairperson is the political head of the Zila Parishad. Similarly, local government bodies exist for urban areas as well. Municipalities are set up in towns. Big cities are constituted into municipal corporation. Both municipalities and municipal corporation are controlled by elected bodies consisting of people's representatives. Municipal chairperson is the political head of the municipality. In the municipal corporation, such as an officer is called a mayor.
Okay, I think that's it. Within no time, the class will also get over. Thank you, children, for